Every life begins as a mystery, invisible, silent, and full of hope. But for some women, that hope feels just out of reach. Month after month, negative pregnancy tests bring disappointment and heartbreak. Today, we'll understand why this happens, and what your body might be trying to tell you. Meet Sarah. She has been dreaming of becoming a mother for years. Every month, she waits for that little miracle, imagining the moment she will see those 2 pink lines. Yet month after month, nothing happens. She wonders if she's doing something wrong, if it's her fault. The truth is, infertility is not a failure. It's a health condition, and the body sometimes signals that something needs attention before pregnancy can happen. Hormones control every step of pregnancy, from ovulation to implantation. Imbalances in estrogen, progesterone, thyroid hormones, or prolactin can prevent eggs from being released or the uterus from preparing for implantation. Conditions like PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, are very common and can make menstrual cycles irregular, affecting fertility. Sometimes the problem is physical. Blocked fallopian tubes prevent sperm and egg from meeting. Endometriosis can create scar tissue that interferes with implantation. Uterine abnormalities, like fibroids or polyps, can also make it hard to conceive. Many women don't realize these issues exist until they face difficulty getting pregnant, but they are treatable with medical intervention.